In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed web pages in Google Sites. Embedding a web page inside Google Sites lets your visitors view another site directly on your page without leaving your site. It's perfect for dashboards, live calendars, interactive tools, or any page you want to showcase in context. Here's how to set it up smoothly from start to finish. First, head to the Google Sites homepage and sign into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that owns or has access to the site you want to edit. Once you're in, choose the site where you want to add the embedded web page. If you already have it open, you're ready to go. Inside the editor, look to the right panel and switch to the Pages tab. This is where you manage your site structure. Hover over the plus button to add a new page. When the options appear, select Full Page Embed. This creates a dedicated page designed specifically to display embedded content, so it fills the page nicely. Give your new page a clear, descriptive name. This is what your visitors will see in the site navigation, so pick something that tells them exactly what they'll find. In this area, you'll notice there are different kinds of content you can embed: videos, calendars, maps, slides, and forms. For this walkthrough, we're embedding a standard web page. Click Add Embed to open the Embed dialog. Under the By URL option, paste the full URL of the web page you want to display. A couple of tips here. Make sure the link uses HTTPS and be aware that some websites block embedding for security reasons. If the preview fails or the page won't load, the site may prevent being shown inside another site. In that case, consider linking out to it instead or using a different source. When the preview looks good, click Insert. Google Sites will place the embedded page on your new page. You'll see it fill the content area and it will resize to fit. If needed, you can reposition elements around it just like any other block on your site. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish to make your changes live. Choose your publishing settings if prompted, confirm, and your embedded page will be available to visitors immediately. That's it. You've embedded a web page into Google Sites, keeping your audience engaged and reducing extra clicks. If you found this helpful, follow the same flow anytime you want to showcase a live, external page right inside your site.